3. It is very important. I'm going to step 3. This is also a very, very simple work, but it will need collaborative activity. Okay, sir. So what do I call it? I am called as per NBN norms. It is called as course articulation matrix. What is a course articulation matrix? It is nothing but a course level. I have taken only one course, remember. One course level, what is the CO? I am writing it. Then I am mentioning what is that PO. Okay, so but remember, I am doing this only for one course to begin with. Okay, like that, each faculty should have one sheet. Is that clear, sir? Please, if it's clear, please chat. Otherwise, if you are telling you have any issues, you raise the doubts also. Please, so that we will be highly interactive also. Okay, sir. So Kadiresan, KAOT, Sasikumar, Sivanandam, they are all writing yes, sir. Shenbagapriya ma'am from KAOT. Yeah, good. Balaji. So I'm getting lot of messages. Okay, good. Please keep the message. This is like drinking coffee during the process. Okay, so I'm starting again with Anna University code. Nobody says you have to start with them. No. First two columns, nobody says, but for case of simplicity, I'm doing. So Dr. Bhaskar very correctly mentioned about the best, the most well-known scientist, Dr. Albert Einstein. So he said one of his statement that I'm trying to quote as much as close to it. If a person knows things well, he will make it the simplest. So only if I don't know a thing, then I will try to make a story, spin it around so that nobody understands. Because I did not understand in the first place. So I am telling after understanding for you to understand very simply how to make a complex thing simple. That is my objective. So I don't want confusions also when you are preparing the course outcome. So again, I am telling Anna University code. Again, I am telling course name. So this is only one. Then in course outcome number, I have listed for the first subject, I have listed. Then what am I doing? I am again writing the course outcome statement. There is no need to write, but I am writing. So why am I writing it? So that I will immediately correlate that to the PO. So what is PO? PO is okay. But in Indian context, it is program outcomes. Indian context. Whereas, as you know very well, this is a concept that has been proposed by Abbott of USA. What is Abbott? Abbott is accreditation board for engineering and technology. Who is in this accreditation board? Industry associations. Who are these industry associations? It could be Society of Automotive Engineers, IEEE, ASME, ACSC, like that. Then ASHRAE, like that. So for every field, there are so many associations. For wireless communication, there is a body like that. So these people together form what is Abbott. So Abbott says in their wisdom, they tell, because they are industry people, they know what is needed. So in their wisdom, they tell we need 12 so many associations. For wireless communication, there is a body like that. Sir, திரும்பி reply ஆகுது. So there are, they determined that there are 12 graduate attributes. This is determined by Abbott. So when it started coming into India, 2013 onwards, we started with OBE curriculum by National Board of Accreditation. So There we did not call it as graduate attributes, we are calling it as program outcomes. So they are one and the same. The words are also one and the same, but minor correction you will find, minor corrections. Okay, as a criteria, there is no change. So like PSSG reminded today, top 5 are complex problems. So it is technology. Next 7 is society. So I've listed that down also for you. Okay, so I will come to that later. So there are 12 POs. In addition to this 12 POs, you can also have PSOs. This was also answered by Dr. Bhaskar. I am just refreshing. Why is a PSO needed? In addition to these 12 POs, they call it A to K, we call it 1 to 12. You can have 2 to 5. But if you are having 5, you will be totally confused. I have seen colleges using 2, 3, but rarely 4 or 5. But my choice is please limit it to 2. It is very difficult at the undergraduate level to do with more than 2 PSOs. So even 2 PSOs, you will be hard bound to, you will finding it tough to make a right PSO. Please remember that. So, but you can go for 2 at the max. Okay. So these are the 12 POs I am showing. Then like you, I also have difficulties to tell which course outcome should go into which program outcomes. Okay, so this is the most, I will say, the critical part so far. So here again, my humble request is go for a brainstorming session within your faculty who are aware of that subject. Okay, is that clear, sir? So, for example, course outcome 1, if it is strongly related to PO1, put 3. If it is strongly related to PO12, for example, then put 3. Okay, so don't put 3 for everything, don't put 2 for everything, then you don't have to fill up all these cells. Okay, like this. You don't have to fill up everywhere. No, you don't have to fill up. If it is, so here I have made this mention, fill with 1, 2 or 3. Okay. If it has got no correlation, put a dash. And if you put a dash, don't count it for the average. So I am also calculating C102 average. Why do you need this average? I will come to that subsequently. But as of now, you calculate the average. So 3 plus 2, 5 plus 2, 7 divided by 3, 2.3. So this is the PO1 average for course outcome number 102. Sir, does this make sense for you, esteemed teachers, professors? So I want your chat. If you have any doubt, please tell me, sir. Somebody, Russia, yes, is sending. MJ Davidson, Sivanandam Ramalingam, clear. Shanmuga Priya, clear. Okay, so, okay. As a principal, I always insist my faculty, again and again I tell, please have group discussion amongst your department. If it is having interdepartmental, call those people also. Then you finalize. You know why? Because if it is a unicorn making of one person making course outcome related to POs and the course articulation matrix is made, what happens? That person leaves, then it becomes a chaos after that. So there has to be some amount of consensus amongst all of you. You can always ask me a question. Is this subjective? Yes, it is subjective. You can ask the next question. If when a program evaluation expert comes from MBA, he or she will ask this question. Then what do I reply? Normally, I will say 99.9% of the time, if you have a correct logic for the strong correlation or a medium correlation or a weak correlation, if you have a logic, then nobody will question you. The problem starts. Okay, these are the things I have seen in other colleges. All cells, remember, all cells mean all cells like this. So everything is filled with one number. Do you understand? Everything is filled by 3. Or all cells filled by 2, or all cells filled by 1. So these are all mistakes. First mistake, everything is not correlating with all the POs and COs. So the first minute itself, the expert will say, you have not understood OBE. Dr. Bhaskar mentioned so many times, Dr. PSS mentioned so many times. This is OBE based accreditation. Please remember, if you make a mistake here, then your entire accreditation goes for a toss. புரிஞ்சதுங்களா? கொஞ்சம் கொஞ்சம் தமிழ்ல பேசணுமா? அதுவும் சாட்ல போடுங்க. சார் தமிழ் கொஞ்சம் இங்கிலீஷ் கொஞ்சம் அப்படின்னு போட்டா ரெண்டுலையும் பேசுறேன். இல்ல only English I will stop, I will talk only in English. So I leave it to you. So I want this chat messages. Okay? Then how to remember this 12 POs? This is a simple method to remember, but this is a high level of abstraction. Only to remind you, I call it as I have a touch screen, so I am touching it. So Kadi meet Tommy. Kadi meet Tommy. So Kadi, actually Kadi was the more Colombo. Hindi was the more Colombo. So Kadi meet Tommy. So that's how I made this. Anyway, I'm a favorite of more Colombo also. Okay, so K stands for knowledge. That is PO1. Then comes analysis, design, investigation of complex problem, modern tool uses for complex problems. So knowledge, analysis, design, investigation, KADI. Meet, modern tool usage. Next E is engineering society. The next subsequent E is environment and sustainability. Then comes ethics. So I call it as T. Then it is meet, modern tool usage, engineering society, environment and sustainability, ethics. So Kadi meet vandudum. Next is teamwork and individual performance. That is teamwork. Communication for technology related activities. So that is communication. Then comes PO11, which is project management and lifelong learning. I am calling it as I. So Kadi meet Tommy is the way to remember easily. So that is how I am finding it easy to remember. So Ilana, when the people tell over my mind, I can remember, he is taking project management. So that is coming the 11th PO. Like that I will remember. Okay, so up till PO12, sir, this is step 3. I'm again recapping. Most important point here is, this is called as course articulation matrix. I am calling it as course articulation matrix as per MBA norm. But in my level of parlance, my understanding, I am mapping all my COs with all the POs. So it is individual course level COPO matrix for all courses. Sir, if this is clear, I will go to the next step. Please, I want more charts clear, because this is very, very important. Anybody not clear also, please come. I will use this time to have little bit of water also. Please come up with any doubts, sir, madam, all great madams, great sirs. Please come with your doubts, sir. Okay. Okay, so now we are going to step 4. Okay, it is same as in step 3. Only thing is, you see here, this is PSO. That's all. There is no other difference. I'm keeping the PSO separately. You can tell, sir, why did you do like this? You could have added it in step 3. Yes, I would have added. But I don't want to make the table a complex table. Okay, somebody says it is Kasi meat, Tommy. It is not Kasi, it is Kadi. So maybe madam has given a better idea. Kasi, because design is there, yes is there. So maybe we can call it as Kasi also. Good idea. Thank you, ma'am. So I have also included the PSO separately. That's all. That's to make things simple. Another thing, Vishya, I want to tell you. Why do I want 18? வாழ்க்கையில சில முக்கியமான கோயில் வந்து 18 படி. So I have made it as 18 steps. That's all. That is my knowledge. அது 15, 16ல வந்துச்சு. So I added 2 more steps. Okay. So இப்போ வந்து என்னால எக்ஸாம்பிள் இதுல போட தான் முடியும். ஒருத்தர் எக்ஸாம்பிள் கேளுங்கன்றாரு. But I have to type that example. So in this session, it might be difficult, but wherever it is there, I will show that. Okay. So now I am going to the step 5. Step 5, இதுக்கு என்ன பேருன்னா, see here it is. Program articulation matrix. So what am I doing here? At the program level na enna? UG program. As per NBA parlance, program means either UG program, BE BTech, or a program is ME MTech. So it is not department. Please remember, program is not equal to department. Program means either BE BTech or ME MTech, either one only. Okay. So many people are telling some one subject example. I will come to that. Maybe we'll have one more session on that. I'll come to that. Okay. So it is, as per NBA parlance, it is called program articulation matrix. Okay. So here I have taken C101. That is my course number. Then I am taking Anna University code, my course name. Then what is this X, sir? X is average from step 3. So I am going to step 3. What did I find? Here it is. The example I have taken is 2.3. So I am putting that X here. Likewise, for all the course number, remember, this is not course outcome. Please remember, this is course number. So this course number is I am adding. And you can ask me one question at this stage, sir, what should be the decimal point decimal places we should have? So my choice is 1 decimal place is sufficient. Otherwise, you will get a lot of confusions because we are going to do averages only. So please, as you can see here, I have taken only 1 decimal place, but I'm not stopping you. If you do 2 decimal places, that is up to you. But you will be dealing with more complexity. As of now, you can do with 1 decimal place, or a worst case scenario, do with 2 decimal places. Again, if you see batch and academic year, I have included, nothing else is there. Please remember, only up till PO12 I have taken. PO6, again, I have differentiated the PSO separately for the course number and PSO. Okay. Somebody is wanting step 4 again. I'm going back to step 4. Sir, step 4 is sir, step 4 is same as step 3. There is no difference. Step 3 is up till PO12 I have made. PO4 is I have made only for the 2 PSOs. That's it. So it is same as PO. I did not want to make it as one table. If you wish, you can make it as one table. Step 5, I'm coming back again. So I am just writing the averages. Okay. So after this, I will answer your example questions. 3, 4 faculty have raised. Then step 6, again, I am writing the average from step 4 into step 6. So this is how I have done till step 6. So now I am going to CO. This is target. Okay. Okay. So there are now I want to answer one question raised by 3, 4 faculty member from the in the chat mode. Okay. So many that is 3, 4 faculty members have said, "Sir, give me an example." Okay. First, I want to tell you, show you the big